Hello, you are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. This is still under plane geometry. For some time now we have been solving questions related to that. I want you guys to understand that, so I'm taking my time to solve a lot of examples around it. All right, so let's look at it. The question says that find the value of x in the diagram above. This is where x is. Now, one of the easiest way to look at it from is that when you see this diagram, look at it. When you take this one away, you have something like this. This side is 35. Look at the position of x. Meaning that if you're able to get the angle at this side, you just use the sum of angles in a straight line. Sorry, the sum of angles in a triangle to find the value of x. That is x plus the angle here plus the angle here equal to 180. Then you find your x. Now, so the whole focus is for us to now get the angle at this side. How do we get it? Now, there are so many ways to go about this. So when you have something like this, that is parallel line, you see when they are moving towards this way. So when you have a line like this, what it means that the angle at this side and the angle here, the sum of it is equal to 180. And what is the reason? Co-interior angle. All right. So this one could be what? Extended. It could be extended because it's moving parallel. Meaning that here we can represent this by, let's say, P. So P plus, that is 120 equal to 180. And what is your reason? The sum, that is co-interior angle equal to what? 180. So P will now be equal to 180 degrees. Don't forget the degrees. Minus, that is 120. P will now be equal to what? 60 degrees. So the 60 will now be brought to this side. Now, when you have the 60 here, what you have here is called vertically what? Opposite, okay? Because of that, that means that the angle at this side will become what? 60. So this side is what? 60. Then you come to this side, you have x plus 60 degrees plus the 35 degrees equal to 180. Then you write your reason, you put them in the brackets. That is the sum of angle in a triangle. So you have x to be equal, 60 plus the 35, that will give you 95 degrees equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 95. X will be equal to, that is 85 degrees. Then you have it this way as your value for x. Now, I want to show you another way that you can go about with this. Now, we have what you call corresponding angle. What does it mean? The angle at this side, we are saying that it's equal to the angle at this side. So here, when you extend the line like this 120 is the same as the angle at this side. So meaning that this side is 120. Now, having gotten the 120 and this side is 120, we are looking for the angle here. Could have represented by P. This one now becomes the sum of angles on a straight line equal to 180. So that will become P plus 120 degrees equal to 180. P is equal to 180 minus 120. P is equal to what? 60. So this is also another way that you could have used to find the value of what? P. All right. I hope you get it. Kindly take your time to watch over again and again to make sure you understand what I just taught over here. Kindly like, share, comment, and repost. If today is your first time coming into contact with our page, I would like to encourage you to follow us for more teaching lessons like this. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.